Time and time I tell them I don't love them, I just fuck them. Then I move on to another one. Pass them to my brother, get that pussy undercover. Got her ass from her mother, got my weed straight from burner. You a nerd, so you cover. I can hardly trust these bitches I learned. Ain't no sucker on that gas like a trucker. Smack the ass when I fuck her. I get plenty love, it's all the above. I'm on gin and drugs, give me some, then straight to the club. Pockets filling up, niggas love trying to hate on us. They ain't real enough, always feel the building up. Young and I'm rich as fuck. Text your bitch, I ain't tryna Netflix and chill with her. I'ma roll a drink, give her the best dick she ever had. She don't fuck, then I'ma get her best friend instead of her. My cash is irregular, I bag bitches everywhere. Got some clothes, still got on the tags that I'll never wear. You and Last smoking, doing dabs, I run through the cash.
You know how to lay with all this You don't believe a word you hear, it's all the same. You've been here time and time, you heard it all before. After I fuck you once, I'll never call again.
All these hoes, every one of them. These bitches be like dick hopping, click hopping for better position. Pillow talking to any nigga paying attention. They on a mission, trying to fog up a player's vision. Fuck then I'm finished. For you leave, bitch, go clean that kitchen. I ain't gon' lie, oh yeah, the Chacho was a victim once. Before that happened again, you will catch me smoking blunts. And all I do is papers, all I'm about is paper. Love you for the night, tomorrow we are strangers. You ain't gotta